Hello friends, welcome to OK Azure. In this video, we'll create a virtual machine or a Windows-based virtual machine in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so we are going to make use of Azure portal to create the virtual machine. So let's first go and log in the portal.azure.com. So here I'm going to access the portal.azure.com, which is the official website of Microsoft Azure. I'm just going to put my ID and password. Okay, so this is the landing page, or you can say home page of Microsoft Azure. Now here you can see that there is an option to create a virtual machine. I simply click on create. Now when you click on create, you are ready to create a virtual machine. So in the basic details, here in the first tab you have to put the basic information about your virtual machine, and wherever you see this star, right? So these all are the very important option, and you should pay attention while choosing or while filling out this information. So first on subscription, I just have only one option, free trial. I'll just keep as a resource group. You should always have a resource group. A resource group is a logical container which will keep all your resources. So I'll just go and create a new resource group. Uh, I can name it whatever I want. So for example, I'll call it as test RZ. Okay, here virtual machine. I'll just call it as test VM, and location like resin is like if I click on this one, I will have so many options available. So this location like region should be the location which is close to you. If you are sitting in India, it should be in India. If you are in US, then it should be close to your city. So because like there are a couple of multiple options available in US, so you should go and pick which is close to your city. So I'll just keep as it is for now. Availability set, there are a couple of options available. Availability zone and set. So I'll just go and choose zone, and I'll pick selected 3. It means I will have my VM in 3 different data centers. Okay, and here I have to go and choose the operating system that I want. So I'll just go and pick Windows. Let's say we'll go with the latest one, 2019 server. And here I have to go and select my Windows VM size. So I'll just go with the this one, 4 core 60 GB, because I'm just creating for the demo purpose. I know that it's costly. If you see here, admin user, so I'll just call it as okay as your user. I just need to create a password so that I can access the Windows machine. One. Okay, so this is I'm creating an admin account on my machine. Here if you see, this is just to allow ports that you want to access your machine. If I click on none, nobody can access my machine. But yes, I want to RDP, so I'll just select this one, allow selected ports, and from the drop down I'll just go and choose the RDP option because I want to connect through RDP to this machine. Licensing, no. I'll just go next. Here I'll keep as it is premium. Networking, I'll keep the things default because this is going to create a virtual network for a machine. So I'll keep as it is. Management, again I'll just keep off everything as of now because I don't need. Advanced, so this tab, it allows you to select, or you can go and select the extension that you want to install in your VM. But for now I'll just keep as it is. Next, text, I'll just put the environment. I'll call it as development. So review is very important, where you will have whatever you have the options which are selected. You will see here all the things which you opted: basics, disk, networking, management, and everything. Let's go and click on the create. So again, now you see it's initializing, it's doing the deployment. So here I can see the progress. So now here you can see deployment is succeeded, it's done, completed. Let's go and verify. So I'll just go to my resource group and I should see a new resource called test RG. It's here. So if you notice here, if you see that when you create a virtual machine, there are other things created to support your virtual machines like virtual network, virtual machine, public IP address, security group, network interface, and this disk. So these many things are created in the background. Now let's go and click on the VM because we need the public IP address. So it is here. Let's copy this one. We'll make use of this IP address to RDP the machine. So I'll do mstsc here. I'll put the IP address which I copied from here. Let's click on connect. So here I'll put the username, which is OK Azure, and I'll put my password to access the virtual machine. Yes. Okay. So here is our brand new virtual machine, which we just created. So now it's here, right? So it's a brand new virtual machine. You can see from here, like you have all the options. You can just use this machine as a normal system. So depending on your requirement. Okay. So that's it. This is how we can quickly go and create a virtual machine. Now, if you guys are doing on a development, like you are just trying out something, it's always better to clean up the resources. So as soon as you are done with the resource, as soon as you are done with the testing or with the learning, just go and clean up the resources. So what I will do is I'll simply close this virtual machine from here and I'll simply delete my particular resource group. So I'll just click here. You can see there is a button called delete resource group. I'll click on this one and then I have to enter the resource group name test RG. So now you can see here, if I click on delete, it will delete all the other components which were created earlier. Okay. So I'll simply click on delete. Again, it will take few minutes, maybe 1 or 2. So here you can see the progress. Okay. So now you can see here that we have deleted the resource group test RG. Let's go and verify. If I go here, resource group, let me just refresh. Okay, so I don't see the resource group test RG anymore here, right? So this is how it is. So as you are done with the resource, just get rid of it, just delete the resource. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel.